Hello friends, Marcy here, and I am sharing an update with you on the process of cleaning my Nahvular Original Plus in Matira. Um, and I'm capturing some natural sunlight here from the window instead of my overhead light. So I'm going to bring this in close so you can see the sparkles. And sometimes they look gold. I think it depends on the surrounding light that's reflecting off the sparkles. Sometimes silver, sometimes a light red, and sometimes you can even capture some green and blue. And I'll let you discover those as I move it around. It's still damp inside the barrel, as I'll show you pictures and videos of the process. The faint hint of pink still remains on the very tip here, but what a difference from the beginning. I'll put a before shot in here and let you see that. Um, I was working with, I emailed Nahvular after my first video I shared with you about this pen and the staining on the ink from the ink. And they got back to me. They have wonderful customer service. If you order from nahvular.com, their website, they got back to me and offered suggestions and further things. They're actually sending me an O-ring um, because when I took my nib out of the nib feed to try to clean it, I noticed inside the nib feed there was something sticking out. So I used tweezers to pull it out and discovered it was an O-ring. So I have a picture of that I'll put here. And I'm thinking it came from this area. Get something to point with. I'm thinking it came from this area here. It probably rolled out when I pulled the nib feed out, or it was already misaligned, which possibly caused the leak, all the ink to go in here. So we do have an O-ring here. So once I receive the O-ring from them, they also said I could use silicone grease on that if I wanted to ink it before, but I'm going to wait because I plan on inking this for winter time. But when they mailed me the O-ring, they also asked if I needed a tool to disassemble. So I think I'll do that. They're sending me the tool to disassemble this vac fill and do a thorough cleaning, which actually this section looks fabulous. You can see those sparkles, some gold, silver, white, green. And I think it's just capturing the light from surroundings. I am wearing kind of a salmon colored shirt today. And then we have green from outside the window. So anyway, gorgeous colors all around. I'm very pleased with this pen. Even though I've had this struggle with cleaning it, it's been a learning experience. So I don't discount it at all. I'm very pleased to have had the learning experience. Nahvular, in an email, recommended a paste of baking soda and water, and I'll put some pictures in here along with the steps that I did over. It's been since last Saturday that I started the baking soda process. And then they also recommended an ultrasonic cleaner. So let me move this aside and show you. I ordered this from Amazon. Oh goodness. And it cost like $8.99. Very simple to use. If you push the button once, it's a 5-minute cycle. Twice is a 10-minute cycle. So I used it first with water only. And then I added some solution that was recommended by Serial Nana. She saw my video and recommended this. It's Ko-I-Noor Rapido Easy fountain pen cleaner. So you can use it like 1 part solution to 4 parts water. And I did that in the cleaner on my initial cleaning. And then as you'll see in my pictures, I added some straight solution full strength to a shot glass and just submerged the cap or the grip section. Oops. So you'll see all that in the coming video, and I think I may have to adjust some of my lighting as the sun sets and my light is changing. But as far as being pleased with the pen, I'm very pleased with it. I'm very pleased with the quality of Nahvular. The nibs write smooth, especially I wanted to bring these out and show. I just cleaned this one on the weekend, flushed it out. It also had a Galaxy ink in it, which was it was called I'm sorry, a Nahvular ink in it, which was the Galaxy. It was blue with shimmer. So I cleaned this out, no problems. It's looking beautiful. Such a smooth writer. This is Nahvular by Galen, or yes, it was. Let's see, there we go. Galen by Nahvular. And then this one as well, the blue one, is also from Galen Leather. But the Nahvular pens are very affordable. I just, matter of fact, I just ordered yesterday or the day before another Nahvular on the October breast cancer awareness month. So I'm expecting it on Saturday, and I'll be sure to share that. But it's a pink pen. I love the quality of Nahvular pens. This is just something that I'm thankful that I'm able to work through, and I'll show you why. When I ordered the Matira, I also ordered, this is, I think, Lavender Tetra, and I've inked it 3 times already with the same ink, with the Pilot Irizuku ink. I'm loving this. This is a fine tip nib, and this one is medium. But I haven't had, like in the years I've had fountain pens, I haven't had any staining issues. This is the little pouch notebook that I carry at school. I'm a special ed teacher. And so I discovered my TWSBI Diamond Mini has some blue stains on the grip section. And I'm thankful that now I have all these tools like the ultrasonic cleaner and the solution recommended by Serial Nana. I have all these tools to attempt that stain, and that'll come in a later video, but look at me learning. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this video up because I'm not going to be inking this pen until winter, and I'm still waiting on the O-ring and the tool. I just wanted to give you an update on stain removal. Let's see, can we get in here closer? Very faint pink there. And if you watch my previous video, that was from the Orchid Flower Nahvular ink. So I'm going to go and get this video put together and share it with you. And I thank you for watching. I'm hoping you're learning along with me. If you have any questions, please post them below. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.